In 2026, we are going to be talking about AI a lot, but not in the way that most people are used to. This is not about tools, prompts, chasing that latest feature. It's about how businesses actually operate better when technology is designed to support people, not replace them. Across this year, we will be covering how AI fits into day-to-day operations, why clean data and processes matter more now than ever before, how AI search is changing visibility beyond traditional SEO strategies and techniques, and why lead generation only works when data is used responsibly and relationships stay human. We will also talk openly about privacy, security, standards, ethics, and arguably the most important part, leadership responsibility, because AI does not remove accountability, it actually increases it. This content is designed for recruitment agencies, professional service firms, and also SaaS agencies or companies that want to grow without losing trust, quality, or control. If that sounds relevant to you, stay with us. The team at HyperAutomate are building this properly, and there's more to come.